Lifting myself, yeah. The things we do for parkrun. Oh. It's very loose. And I've got the wrong glasses on for this kind of stuff. There, we made it. We didn't fall over. Still time. Oh, ow. Oh, knees. What the heck is going on this morning? Morning, morning. Heading to Durham parkrun this morning. We have done this one before as a point of view video. So, I'll put a link somewhere in this video to that one. And this one we'll just do as a vlog. It is quite a warm day today, but you can probably hear and feel in the camera there is a breeze, which should help things along to keep us all cool. And I've worn the old red t-shirt this morning instead of the black one, so as I don't look like a football referee, but also so we don't get baking hot. Beautiful river here. It's quite shallow looking at it. I thought it was a bit deeper than that. Must get myself out for a paddle on it one day. I can never actually remember to get the paddle board out. Fresh back into the UK today. Back from our whole adventure to do our Z parkrun. You have watched the video, haven't you? Try and find it if you haven't. It's quite good. And a trip out there and a trip back again. I'll wait to start now. I'm not entirely sure about this parkrun. We had a little bit of a lay-in this morning because of the hot weather in the UK, so let's see what it's like. We shall start from the back and plod our way along. Oh, I think we're off. It's interesting listening to people running along, getting through the crowds, because some people are so caustic about other people. Moan, moan, moan. He says as he's mooning. I'm going to do another feature, blood pressure watch. How was blood pressure this week? Well, it's steady, but it's still mid 140 over mid 80s. Not sure if that's good or not. Go on, give me a +4 performance. Ooh. Over a wobbly bridge. Trump, trump, trump. Who's that standing on my bridge? Running on the gravelly track. Quite a different experience to last week's tarmac. And then onto some grass around the fields. Well, they are generally flat because they're football fields and playing fields. But I am a road runner at heart, so sometimes wonder. For those who are wondering, I am in the Adidas Adi0 SL2s, new blues. Thanks, Marshall. This course you do get quite a lot of mixed terrain, so it's about a mile on this grass, but you've got about a mile on gravel and then about a mile on tarmac. Into sunlight after some shade. Gone back into a nice breeze after being sheltered from the breeze. Back onto the gravel again. Some relief from the sun in the shade. It's quite warm again. Record-breaking temperatures here in the UK. Trump, Trump. Who's that walking on my bridge? Onto some tarmac now, we're just under a mile to go. And we are nicely in the shade. Lots of rowers down on the river. Finish across the other side of the river now. Just gone past 4 kilometres, doing okay. One little walk across the wooden bridge because people stopped in front of me. Can we run this bridge? Let's see. Thank you, Marshall. Very steep. Jog, 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 jog. Not much faster than walking, but jog. Yes, we ran it. Jog ran anyway. Although in fairness, sometimes the downhill bits are worse. Last 0.2 of a mile. Whatever that is in metres, probably 250-ish, I don't know. And this bit's concrete blockwork, which can be a bit tough on the feet as well. And there's the Ox. And some cast iron cogs and the bandstand. And out for the finish. Here we go. Thank you. And we are done. In. Catch my breath. There we go, position 277. Bit of a lightheaded spell there. So that sprint finish. Just walking around trying to pull it back again. Oh dear. Holland, yeah. Hotter than Holland. Not such a nice course, well, not such a forgiving course. 35, just over 35 minutes for me on that one. Sprint finished past those 2 people at the end there, and then they went ahead of me in the funnel, so I had to tell them off. Naughty people. It took a lot of effort to get past them at the finish. They laughed when I said that. And that's it. Durham parkrun. Done. We're heading down south next week, so point of view video next week. Not entirely sure where yet. Done. Just trying to keep the cathedral in the background for you. Hot day. Like I said, felt very dizzy at the end there. Quite a bad spell of dizziness that one, so keep an eye on that. Did put a bit of a sprint finish in the end though to get to past those two people at the end, so we'll just keep an eye on that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.